Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a Chinese based AI model that is recently released. It's called as GLM, which can actually generate unlimited applications. You can generate audio, images, everything. If you directly type GLM inside Google, the very first website which comes. So this is the website. I personally use it for generating applications. It's a great alternative to other AI models which are paid. This is completely free and unlimited. The address is chat.z.ai and it's developed by a Chinese based company, and the latest model as you see GLM 5.1, and the interface is quite simple. I've already logged in using my Google account. Simply log in if you are doing it for the very first time. After you log in with your Google account, directly type what sort of application you want to generate. So it's some suggestions are also given if you want to build a full stack application. So you can simply tell I want a build a React.js full stack image to PDF web app in browser. So now what it will do, it has its own AI editor similar to VS Code, where it will generate all the files for you. This is actually all the source code will be generated. The speed is also very insane. As you see, the directory structure of a simple React project is simply generating. It's creating files step by step in TypeScript. All the files are generated step by step. So you can just see right here. So it doesn't take too much time. It creates a full stack coding application. It automatically has its own terminal where it installs the dependencies. After it generates a description, and also you will be able to publish and deploy the application within seconds. So this is the number one AI solution on the entire internet. I will recommend you, if you're using Claude Code Codex, the subscription based AI applications, don't use them. Instead, use this free and unlimited alternative. So once it generates successfully, you will be able to download the code and publish the app and deploy the app instantly. And the live preview will show right here. So it will go step by step. The first two steps are completed. Now it is actually building the main component, the front end user interface. So then it will go to the next step, next step, next step. After that, it will generate your application. So the result that you see right here, all the files it creates step by step, and you see the source code right here. So the user interface also is very friendly. All the controls are directly present on the website, so you are not no longer confused. So it's a great alternative to Claude Code, Codex, Gemini. You directly go to this Chinese-based AI model, and so once it completes, you will see the live preview directly. And in the meantime, let me also show you how to generate images, videos as well. So again, GLM, you go to the same AI agent. Apart from generating coding applications, it also have different agents as well, which are there. So if you click on agent, you can also have chat modes as well. So right here, you can even ask any kind of question. So you also have the ability to perform web search, deep thinking also you can enable so that it comes up with a great results. So now we are talking about this one. So you can even generate images. You go to image.z.ai. So right here you specify the prompt, and for that you need to log in. So again, as you saw, this is a Chinese based website. Accept the terms and condition, continue. After that, right here, so I will say three guys coding on laptop in Jurassic Park, and T-Rex is moving. So I simply type the prompt, and right here you click on start generation. So now what happened, directly on right hand side, the AI will start developing a full HD image for you. So this can be useful for generating thumbnails for social media such as YouTube videos or Facebook, Instagram. The possibilities are endless, TikTok as well. and it's completely free and unlimited. As you saw, you simply log in and simply type the prompt, and now the image will show right here. So you can see the application is successfully created. It actually shows you the live preview, and you can even click on new tab, and it actually deploys your application, gives you this unique URL, and you can actually test out this application as well. So you can see right here, a fully functional application has been successfully generated. These are all the source code. As you see, all the files are successfully generated. It's a full stack React project. So it's still developing it, just publishing this project. So once it fully completes, you will see this download button activated. So still it is creating it. So let me give some time. So now you will see the image is successfully generated, and you can actually download this image. So you have this download button. As you see, click on download. So a full HD image, as you see, three guys coding on laptop in Jurassic Park, and a T-Rex is moving. So you can see that a fully HD image and no watermark is present. So this is really important. You can use this image for your commercial purposes. So from here you can select if you want watermark or not. You can even say 2K image quality, and you can select the aspect ratio. If you're developing for YouTube video, you select 16 by 9. So I say generate YouTube thumbnail for React tutorial. So as you can see, it doesn't have any kind of limit. This is completely free and unlimited. You can simply, and same we have also audio as well. For generating audio, so you can select the English language. So right here you specify whatever text that you want to convert to speech. So I simply say, so I simply return the prompt, the text, and then I simply say generate image or speech. Here you can change the speaker speech rate.
World.
Let me just turn the volume
New
and play.
Zealand is the best cricket team in the world.
So you can also download. You also have the download button as well. So in this, you can see that your audio file is successfully downloaded. Here you can change the speaker, gender, everything. So now Ethan will speak these words. You can even change the speech rate, volume as well.
New Zealand is the best cricket team in the world.
You can also adjust the volume, speech rate. So this is an insane AI model, guys. You can generate images, audio, full stack coding application as well. So you can see that. Simply type the prompt, and this is GLM 5, and they have this AI chat platform which you can directly use for free unlimited. And I shown you step by step for creating applications. We also generated images, audio as well. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also tell me in the comment section if you like this AI model or not. If you want to read more about this AI model, simply tell GLM who developed this. So Google will answer you. So it's actually a Chinese based company. On February 11, 2026, ZAI was created by a Chinese company. If you directly say, it's a Chinese based model. So definitely check this out. It's a really powerful model. So once you click publish, your application will be deployed in seconds, under 1 minute, and you can refresh your application, and it will give you this unique URL where you can share this URL with your friends so that they can even look at the application. So this is your URL. So definitely check this out. So again, now you can test out this application. Simply select a bunch of images. You can select the page size, orientation, image fit, everything you can change. Click on convert to PDF. After that, all your images will be converted to PDF. So this is actually this Chinese based model. Definitely check this out.